If you don't like rigid schedules but still want quality education, then NPTI Florida's HighFlex program is your answer. Picture this, a flexible training program that adapts to busy life. At NPTI Florida, we've been training top-notch personal trainers for over 25 years. Our new HighFlex program combines the convenience of online learning with the hands-on experience you need. Whether you're balancing work, family, or other commitments, we've got you covered. And guess what? We're veteran-owned and staffed, offering special support for our heroes in uniform. Plus, we provide multiple funding options like traditional financial aid, scholarships, and veteran benefits. Our 600-hour ACCSC accredited career diploma program ensures you get the best education. And it doesn't stop there. We offer nationwide career placement assistance to launch your fitness career. Ready to jumpstart your journey? Visit our website, schedule a tour, and start transforming your passion into a profession today. With NPTI Florida, it's your fitness journey, your way,